Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Now, if you're a fan of pumpkin spice flavoured foods, then this video is definitely going to be one for you.
Because today we're going to show you how to make a delicious pumpkin spice flavoured ice cream using the Ninja Creami Deluxe.
Let's get into it. So let's get started. For this recipe you are going to need whole nutmeg as well as allspice blend, ground cinnamon, cloves and ground ginger. You also need vanilla bean paste, sweetened condensed milk and some thick whipping cream. And then finally, the most important ingredient for this recipe is a can of pumpkin puree, and let's not forget a pinch of salt. And the amounts you'll need for all of these ingredients are going to be on the screen now. Now for the method, you're going to need a large bowl or measuring jug, as well as a microplane and an immersion blender. So let's get started and begin mixing all these bits together. Okay, first we're going to begin by adding our cream into the measuring jug. I'm adding 1.5 cups, which equates to 375 milliliters. Now we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk. So this here is a 397 gram can, and we're going to add the whole thing in. So in it goes. Right, now we're going to add our pumpkin puree. Now we're going to add 3/4 of a cup, which equates to about 180 grams, and we're going to add that into the mix now. Now we're going to start adding our spices. We're going to start with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Next we're going to add half a teaspoon of ginger. Next we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Okay, now I've got the Michael Jackson glove on because we're about to microplane our whole nutmeg. We're going to try and grate off 1/4 teaspoon, so it's going to be a bit of eye judgment here. And also we're going to add 1/4 of our allspice in. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of our vanilla bean paste. Now we've got all of our ingredients in the bowl, we're going to use our immersion blender to combine them all. So, immersion blender plugged in, let's go. Okay, that mixed pretty well. It's very thick. Now we're just going to taste a little bit just to see if we need to add sugar or not. Personally, I think with that sweetened milk you don't need any sugar, but this is all down to personal preference. Okay, now we've got our mixture, we're going to add it to our creamy pint. So, lid on. And we're going to pop this in the freezer and we'll be back with the results in 24 hours.
So our mixture's been in the freezer for 24 hours, and about 10 minutes ago we took it out and let it sit at room temperature. Now we're going to take the lid off and begin the blending. Okay, because the pint froze with a little bit of a peak, I'm going to use a spoon to level that off. You want everything to be level so that we are not damaging the machine when it starts to spin. Now everything is nice and level and we are ready to process. So, lid comes off. Now we're going to twist. We're going to turn the machine on. We're going to select full and ice cream. And now we're going to press start.
If you're enjoying this video so far, feel free to give us a like and subscribe to the channel.
Okay, now the processing is ready. We're going to have a look and see if it needs a respin. Oh, that looks great, I'd say. I have a feeling it's not going to need a respin, so let's try it. Yep, that's perfect. That is a really nice consistency. Yep, that is the perfect consistency. So we're not going to do a respin. We're just going to go and dig in. It's really nice. It definitely doesn't need any sweetness from my point of view, other than what it's got from the condensed milk. Second opinion.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's strong. Very nice though.
So that was us making a delicious and flavorful pumpkin spice ice cream using our Ninja Creami Deluxe.
Now, if you want to see more Ninja Creami recipe videos, check out the link on the screen now.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again soon.